name is Waja Mateng. I am a student of Letambwe CGSS. It is my second time coming here, and this time I'm super excited because I'm going to board the plane. I would like to thank Dare to Dream for doing this to me. Thank you.
My name is Badisi. I'm a 4 month student from Mariwaji SA. I would like to appreciate the Dare to Dream for the trip. My name is Trivona. I am a 4 month student from Mariba Junior Secondary School. It will be my first time boarding a plane. I would like to appreciate Dare to Dream for organizing for this trip.
My name is Angela Nyoko. I'm in standard 6 and I'm writing grade 7. What I'm expecting here is for us to ride safely and without any crash.
My name is Luthabu Bosaletse and I school in Acacia Primary School. I am in standard 6 writing standard 7. And what I expect from this plane, I expect that we can fly safely around the world and explore more of this country of Botswana.
My name is Katlago Lututi. I'm a standard 6 student in Acacia Primary School. What I expect from this everything goes smoothly.
The flight was so trauma. My intestines were jiggly.
What did you say?
The flight was very, very, very nice. And people were screaming, and I was like, woo! It was very, very, very fun. And I want to come back again. Thank you, Air Botswana. Thank you, Dare to Dream.
It's hugely important, particularly in the world we live in today. But I think the bottom line is that you have to please stay true to your dreams, true to your heart, follow your dreams, and please dream big and aim high. As we heard from Fatima already earlier, every great scientist, every great inventor, every great entrepreneur was once a young child, a boy or a girl, just like yourselves, who had a curious mind and who stayed true to their passion. So please believe in yourselves. We believe in you. Your teachers believe in you. Your parents believe in you. And me, I believe in you. I'm really privileged that I had the chance to meet you this morning and to spend morning with you. It was a very exciting flight. I must say it was the most exciting flight of my life. We had all emotions, but I'm so happy I could share this moment with you.